third, we'll take this one. In the fourth, we're gonna have this component. Okay, so it seems like some of the terms is gonna cancel out. Okay, so let's see what are those terms. Okay, so I'll use this black pencil to cancel out those terms, right? So ax del x bx, ax del x bx, there are minus sign, let's cancel out. Ay del y bx, so it is not going to cancel out. Az del z bx, no, it is also not going to cancel out. Bx del y ay, bx del y ay. Okay, so and yeah, this is a minus sign. Let me write it perfectly. First of all, let me remove this. Bx del x ax, bx del x ax. So what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 terms. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now let's compare these. Ax del y by. Okay, for the plus sign we're gonna have ax del y by, ax del z bz, ax del z bz. Okay, ax del z bz, by del y ax, by del y ax, bz del z ax, bz del z ax. Yes, for the minus component, ay del y bx, ay del y bx with the minus sign, bx del y ay, sorry, bx del y ay. Okay, so bx del y ay, same term. Remember, we are not cancelling out this term, we are just comparing. Yes, these terms are available in LHS as well as the RHS side. Az del z bx, az del z bx, yes, and bx del z ax, bz, sorry, bx del z ax, yes. Okay, ax del y by, ax del y by. Okay, so this I have already marked. Okay, so for the x component both sides are equal. Similarly, we will take the y component. Okay, so let me take it. So for the y cap, we're gonna have this term at the LHS. So for the y cap, we're gonna have this term at the LHS, and for y cap for the RHS we're gonna have, let me take those terms. These terms, let me correct it. I think during copying this it get distorted, so let me correct it. So this is the second term. Here we have the third terms. And then the fourth term. And when we compare those terms, we're going to have some term to be cancelled out. This is a minus sign, right? So ax del x by ax, okay, ax del x, it should be by, I think, right? So it should be by. No, I think this should be bx. Okay, so this is the mistake. So this should be bx, right? Similarly, we're gonna have bx and ay. Okay, so by del y ay, by del y ay, this two will cancel out, and we're gonna have ay del y by, ay del y by, and the remaining term is gonna equal, and this remaining term is going to equal to this term. You can see and compare it. Okay, similarly you can take the z component, okay, and compare both of them. You will see that they are also having this equal, having the same terms in both the LHS and RHS, and hence from this analysis we can say that the curl of the cross product of two vector is equal to the yes. So from this analysis we can say that the curl of the cross product of two vector is gonna equal to the yes. I mean you can prove this identity. Okay.